True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yes, my beautiful people. No sweet spot me there. Middle quarters in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. So big up anyone I watch from. Yeah, man. A lot of people been asking how them can get some stuff we buy like plant in them backyard. So I'm going to show you one place now. Middle quarters, we spot where you can get a lot of different varieties of herbs and stuff to plant in the backyard. So stick and stay and see what go on, my beautiful people. One love, one heart, my beautiful people.
So this is the point of sale area where you can get from 1 to about 40 different type of herbs and vegetable seedlings.
Yes.
So we do all the suckers you can think of. Right now we have celery, we have kale, we have okra, we have cucumber, sweet pepper, hot pepper, mint, thyme, you name it, oregano, even your homemade honey.
Yes, man.
Yes,
See honey there?
Red cabbage, white cabbage, cilantro, dill, basil, you name it, all type of stuff, man. We have them.
So how they can reach out to you? As in the number you don't want to get
Yes,
them know.
man. You can reach me 822-4047 891-7772.
Okay, so you get that number there? Yeah, man. So if you don't want to reach out to him, you can reach out to him if you not come St. Elizabeth, I don't want to the backyard things them. Yeah, man, I'm tell you some palms and everything. Yes. I give you a showcase same, you know, so we can tell you how you can reach. I see the honey them same way.
Yeah.
You're a production name, yeah?
Yes, man.
You see it?
Mm.
Yeah,
well,
man.
it's a friend of mine still.
Yeah, but you know where you go.
You
so
know
real Jamaican honey them. You know, say organic where we
yes,
go.
Man, and you want to know,
yeah.
Real honey, one bubble.
One bubble.
Yeah, man.
You see that?
One bubble.
One bubble.
Real honey.
So how much you price the honey them and thing?
For these is 1.5 for this.
1.5 for the small bottle?
Yes, and 4,000 for the big one.
Yes.
Yeah,
so if you don't want no honey and not pass that area,
yeah.
You stop and get no honey if you care about a fire and if you make no tea.
Yeah, man.
For organic where we are go.
Organic.
Yes, man. So stop right in the middle quarters.
No additives.
Yes, straight. Man. So we say palm over here, so everything.
So palm and some gardening stuff up here. Actually, this area is designed to stockpile fruit trees.
Yes.
Your tangerine, your orange, your mangoes, all of that. But right now we have sold out on those.
Yes.
And we're hoping to restock shortly. So we have predominantly palms of all sorts and sizes. Right?
Yes.
Where I run it straight. Yeah, man. So this is the little boardwalk area where you can come and get your palms.
That tree catch me eye, you know. What that tree have? The tomato, right?
Okay, it's an Italian cherry tomato.
Is that
yes,
Italian,
man.
right?
Italian cherry tomato. It bears in bunches like grapes.
Yes.
And they are yellow when they ripen. When they ripen, they're yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
So my people, so here, on the one, this is on the backyard, yes, Italian tomato. You don't need to come, yes, right here, so.
You can containerize it.
Yes. So still take a tour same way. So we are going into the nursery area now. I see different herbs and everything.
This is the nurse.
You see the lady, the first lady you find found this stuff. Yes. Big up yourself, you know?
Big up.
Yes, man. I know, say, we used to come a flower show and used to see different things. But you know, a long time through the hurricane, Melissa, I don't think no flower show keep again. So here you can find things you want for planting on the backyard and on the farm, same way.
Yeah, so this is the nursery.
Yes.
And here we do the things here in bulk for the farmers.
Yeah.
Farmers from the outdoor now, they don't buy the small singles, they buy the tray.
Tray.
So we have hot pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper.
So it's scotchy.
That's scotchy. Real,
so them pretty.
Real scotch.
Yes, we can see leave them very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yes, man.
These are ready for the market. And we have melon.
Right.
Melon over here, kale,
tomato.
Yes, man.
I can see over here it's a cabbage, right?
Melon, red, purple cabbage. Purple cabbage here. We have the white cabbage up there.
Yes.
And we have melon here again, and we have
okra, right?
Okra.
Yeah, okra, man.
Okra right
yes,
here.
man.
And we have pepper coming again.
You see me, people?
Yeah, man, young pepper coming up.
This take a lot of work,
Yeah,
I tell you,
a lot of
and
work.
dedication.
Dedication. That's the word.
Trust
That's the
me,
key word.
dedication.
You have to
See, if you love farming,
Yes.
you see if you can reach one way in life. If you don't love farming, it make no sense to take it up.
No sense.
See, farming,
Yeah.
you have to care, you caring.
You have to care.
You have to plant something, and you have to water it, make sure they come.
Just like you're running a nursery with human beings.
Yes.
You have to be attentive. You have to know your stuff.
Yes, because back in the days, me used to try something like this. You see, as me quit so, then dead.
Yes.
Because me don't have the knowledge to it.
Knowledge is
At
key.
the time.
Knowledge is key.
Yes,
So
man.
you have to know to apply your herbicide, your fungicide, and you have to identify the symptoms of what can cause, which can turn out to a disease outbreak,
yes.
or a fungal outbreak. So you have to correct it at the first stage.
For you see sweet pepper now, me realize sometimes sweet pepper have a little curl at the leaf.
Yes,
If you don't know how to control that, you lose the whole of your seedlings.
Yes.
Them.
Yes, so first you have to know the cause, what can cause it. Now, there are two things I know that can cause it. Heat, the heat of the day can cause it.
Yes.
Or white flies.
Oh.
Yes, man. Heat of the day or white flies. So, in order to treat it now, you have to know the symptoms. You
Yes.
have to know how to treat, what is the symptom.
Cause of
What
it,
is
so
the
yeah.
cause. So we treat it.
Yes.
I mostly have white fly problem, but I know how to
deal with it. Yes.
man, I know how to deal with it. So it doesn't trouble me, and I recommend it to the cure to
Others.
my people. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, and I used to have to be a specific temperature because can feel the heat in there. So I realize and the plant them look healthy.
Yes, so it's a controlled environment. So over that side is the cooler side.
Yes.
And over here we add more heat. Like you can get up to 60% heat over here.
Yes.
Over there you get like 50%.
Okay, you see the difference? Over there so it's more cooler. I see you have a different setup for you over there so.
Yes, man.
So you see the different machine.
Yeah.
Say you have come through twice, say it's a much cooler.
Environment.
Yes, man. So you see it?
Yes.
At least now learn something to the
Yes.
same way.
Yes, man. So in the near future, we'll have a natural juice area
Okay.
in the making. A
Natural juice. Yes, man. Healthy way to go.
Healthy way to go.
So remember when now come out middle quarters, you have a vision, you know, so natural juice,
Yes.
cilantro and them thing, the natural juice.
Natural juice.
Natural juice.
And fresh garden salad.
Yes.
That's what I'm gonna do. Natural juice and fresh garden salad. I have a hydroponic system that is setting up to put in lettuce.
Yes.
So I'll do
Can't
my-
wrong this either, no. Can't wrong.
Can't go wrong.
Can't
Way to
wrong.
go.
In the right side of the water here, so
Absolutely.
much better.
Yes, of course.
Yes, man.
Yes, so it's all in the mind to bring it out and present it to our
Yes.
people. Healthy Jamaica, that's the way we're going.
That's the way. You say if you plant what you
Plant what, grow
Plant what
plant what you grow. No, grow. Eat what you grow.
eat what you grow. Yes,
what
man.
you eat.
Yes, man. So
Yes,
you must do it in
man.
Jamaica. Yes, man.
So that's
Trust
where
me.
we are at the moment.
Yeah,
Over
so
that section is the mints and herbs.
the mints and
and we have some palms, some young palms coming up,
yes.
as you will notice as you go by.
Yeah, man. See it.
That's right.
So this are the million, right?
Oh yes, this is
This is the regular one or the
extreme.
extreme?
Extreme, yes.
Okay.
Extreme. These will go out tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, they are on order.
Okay.
They will be going out tomorrow.
All right.
Extreme melon, ready to be planted. Yes, St. Elizabeth style.
All right, sir.
Yeah, man.
You know, so in the bread basket, see where St. Elizabeth.
Yes,
You see them. You see this.
time.
It's a time.
Yes.
What do you want to be now? Aloe vera? Or is that a different type?
Yes, it's a species of aloe vera.
Okay. And what is this one right here?
Called cypress palms.
Okay.
Cypress palms. Yes, sir.
So now hear the
They
name.
grow to about 10 foot tall, about 8 feet in diameter.
Oh.
Conical shape.
So those are the same thing down
Same,
there.
yeah.
But those one are look bigger.
Those are bigger ones.
You see it?
Yeah, man. Those are bigger ones. They are
See
coming
the
from
people?
Nursery. Those are approximately 6 months old.
6
Yeah,
months old.
6 months old. Yeah, it takes a while to get there.
Become like our Christmas tree, like at
Absolutely,
there. Oh,
absolutely.
yes,
Typical
man.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. So if you know what the real Christmas tree, you don't know
Real
it's part to
Christmas
come.
tree.
And you know say Christmas are coming up.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, man. But it'll take some time before you know say get to
Yeah.
the way how you want it.
That height.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, man. And you have your what is this one called?
That's comfrey.
Oh.
Comfrey.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, comfrey.
Yes, man. And no, so this are they call it black mint.
No,
So what they call it one now?
What's the mint again? Our regular mint. No.
The regular one. Peppermint, yes. You see, we have a lot of peppermint. Yes, a lot of peppermint suckers here. So you all need to visit here and get on the peppermint.
Peppermint, basil mint over there.
Yes. This one is
basil.
basil. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, people.
Rosemary.
Rosemary. So all of the people that love to season them pots, rosemary, a lot of sucker. I make drinks. Oh, yes. And I heard somebody say the rosemary is good for the prostate, you know, so they can make some tea with it, you know.
She's right.
Yes, man. And
we have onion here as well.
oh, this is where our onion grow.
Yeah, man. Onion.
So like a scallion. So like these right here, can I use cook like this?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Yes, you can use.
So you see, it's a scallion family same way.
Yes. And
Yeah, man. So you see
it? It grows on the rhizome and they will soon protrude.
Yes.
Coming out of the ground. Yeah, just like that.
And that's yes, and thanks
My
for
pleasure.
yes, man. I was so appreciated to come and you tell me what's going on. I mean, I always pass here, so and you know, you always and you know me. You wanna say you watch me all the while. If I want to identify me last time I come here, so thanks a lot for your support. Same way, and big up yourself. And again, how the people them can reach to you again. We know yes, tell them what I go on.
You can reach me 822-4047 891-772.
Yes.
Earl and Lorna. Locked in.
Yes, man. So have a wonderful day and thanks
Manners
again.
and manners.
Yes, man.
Thank you so
All
much
right.
for stopping by.
Yes, man.
Big up Jamaica.
All right.